Emirates Islamic Switch Cashback Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. The Emirates Islamic Switch Cashback card isn't just another credit card. You won't believe the perks it offers. Most people get this wrong by assuming all cashback cards are the same, but this card is tailored for everyday spending while following Sharia-compliant principles. Pricing is straightforward. There's no annual fee for the basic card, making it accessible for most users. Cashback is earned on key categories like groceries, dining, and online shopping, usually ranging from 1% to 5% depending on the category. Higher tier cards may come with a modest annual fee of around $500, but they unlock enhanced rewards, airport lounge access, and exclusive lifestyle benefits. The surprising truth about this card is how it blends rewards with ethical banking. Unlike conventional cards, there is no interest charged. Instead, you benefit from profit sharing on purchases, and fees are transparent. Many users are impressed by the digital tools that track cashback, manage spending, and provide real-time notifications. Most people get this wrong by comparing only the base cashback rates. The true value comes from the combination of Sharia compliance, digital convenience, and lifestyle perks that make spending more rewarding. For frequent shoppers and those who travel regularly, the upgraded card tiers can provide enough added value to justify the annual fee. In conclusion, the Emirates Islamic Switch Cashback card pricing is simple, transparent, and scalable. By understanding the different tiers, reward categories, and additional benefits like airport access or lifestyle perks, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether this card delivers real value for your money while staying true to ethical banking principles.